Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Highland Poppy seeds in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the winter frost season, you will have gardening challenge. And to complete the challenge, especially the flower challenge, you need to purchase 10 Highland Poppy seeds at Blang's gardening store. And if you want to get the flower seed, you need to upgrade your hobby level. I'm going to show you my level for the gardening. Okay, for the gardening hobby, you need to upgrade your level to level 2 so you can unlock the flower seed. And then you need to go to the winter utopia and meet Blang. And then you need to visit her gardening store and you will be able to get the Highland Poppy seed here. And this is the seed from the Fashion Wave exclusive. You can buy the red Highland Poppy seed and also the white Highland Poppy seed to complete the gardening challenge. And the challenge or the quest is called the Winter Elf Flower. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!